Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a standout Instagram profile picture using Canva. So first, open your Canva and then click on Create a Design and choose the Instagram post or square format. And here you can change the background color. So for example, I want to change it into pink like this. And next, what you need to do is go to elements and add a circle here. Click on a circle and adjust the size. Okay, I'm going to go with this. And then click on the element again and choose frame. So find the circle frames in here and place it aligned with the circle before. Okay, and next add your photo. Okay, so here I'm gonna be just using the photo from Canva. Okay, I'm going to just use this one and then drag it to the frame like this. And next, click on the image and go to edit image and click on the background remover. Okay, so just wait until the background has fully removed. Okay, so the background has been removed and then you need to go to the elements again and find a circle border here. Add it to your photo, adjust the size and change it into a white color like this. So now you are done. Okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.